Welcome, Lincoln. The following tutorial is a demo of the Career Edge. We look forward to assisting you to finding your dream job. And now, here is Chris and Harrison.
Hi, I'm Chris Casilius, founder and CEO of Career Team. I want to thank you for participating in the Career Edge site. You're about to meet an exciting young man, Harrison Tunney, who's our lead trainer, who will take you through step by step how the Career Edge process can benefit you. Not only to get a job, to keep a job, but to manage your career through the ups and downs. So enjoy the demo and feel free to call us with any questions or comments you may have. Good luck.
Hi, my name's Harrison Tunney, and I'm about to take you through the 8-step process on how to use the Career Edge student portal. Here's what you're about to learn. How to register, the 10 sections, what's new, job board, employer videos, the personality type assessment, creating your online profiles, and then the social media tutorials. Let's jump into the website and get started. I'm going to start off by showing you the home page. You can see there's a lot of different items here. There's navigation on the top. There's different things to choose from on the right. But what I want you to do before you can access anything, you have to register. In order to register, we can click on this register button right here. Now on this registration form, it asks you for a lot of information. All you really have to put in though is your first name, last name, and email, and then password on the bottom, and create a password for yourself. And then what you can do is, and we'll come back to this page later in order to fill out our profiles, but click on add, and that's going to say thank you, and then you can click here and that will bring you back to the home page. On the home page you can use that login credentials that you just created and click log on. This will then take you to the sections page. Okay? You will see that this is the whole course right here, and you can simply navigate through the sections by simply clicking on the box. When I click on section 5, for example, you'll see it takes me to Best Job Search Strategies. And inside of here you'll find articles and videos and different titles shown here and who the author is, and then a description about what you're about to watch or read. And these articles and videos are changed frequently based on us making them in-house, different partners that we have, and different activities that we see going on the web. On the right hand side is the bulk of the course. This is where you can find the audio. The audio is an MP3 where you can download the MP3 or listen to it on your computer. And then there's also the workbook. If I click and open the workbook, it may take a second to load because it's loading the whole 224-page workbook. This is an interactive workbook, so you can open it just as if you would a regular workbook, a physical workbook. And because it is online, you can see that there's video that pops up. This being Chris Casilius, the CEO of the company and author, popping up from time to time and giving you a little bit more insight as to what page you're on, what exercise you're currently doing. You can navigate through the workbook on the left-hand side if you want to maybe jump to a certain section, or if you wanted to type in the exact page that you wanted to go to, you can do that on the top left here. Going back to the main page, you can see that there's also exercises on the right hand side. These exercises are PDF form of the exercises in the workbook. This allows you to fill out those exercises online and also print them out physically from a printer in order to do the exercises in a class, or maybe just to print out your exercise fill in the blanks. I can also take the quiz. Every section has 10 questions, and you can take the quiz. It's simple multiple choice, true and false, or check off the boxes. Read the questions thoroughly. Most of them are fill in the blank, and all of the questions are derived from the workbook. So once I fill out all of the questions, I can then click submit. After I click submit, it will tell me what I scored, how many questions I got right and wrong, and it will also tell me the correct answer to the questions I got wrong. This can be a teachable moment so that you can go back and maybe take the quiz again in order to get 100 the next time. Going back to the home page and exploring some more things that are on here. Going across the top, there's a What's New page. This What's New page is a news feed coming from all different sources, whether it's Career Builder, Monster, or any other articles that are on the web that are based around careering. So as you can see here, there's 5 career paths for retail workers, can you switch careers and remain financially stable? So different articles that will link you to external websites, whether it's Career Builder or Monster. And these are updated from time to time, I would say about once every 2 days. These are updated depending on what kind of information is going on in the news feed. Going to the job board, this job board is from Indeed, and Indeed is the leading job board out there on the internet. It gathers all of the job leads based on category, based on industry, and you can navigate through those here. And then you can also click in the what and where in order to type in exactly what the job title is, or even the company you want to work for, and then typing in where for the geographic location. Clicking Find Jobs will then take you to those search results using Indeed. Up on the top, and this may be different for depending on what your student portal looks like, but up on the top of this portal there's an employers section. In this employers section are videos that are from different top hiring organizations, and they talk to you about their hiring practices, about their company culture, and give you a little bit more of an insight onto their company. There's also a direct link to the corporate jobs of the companies that are listed here. And again, this is something that might be different depending on your organization and where you're coming from and where you're taking the career edge. On the top right, there's an assessment test. This assessment test assesses you as a person and puts you into your personality type. By knowing what your personality type is, this can then match you up with the job that is right for you. Underneath that is a Meet the Employers video, same as the Meet the Employers section that we just visited. And underneath that, there is a Create Your Own Online Profile. By clicking on this, this is where you can actually create your own online profile in order to have your own social media profile almost. It actually acts as a little miniature website where you can put in your unique value proposition, you can actually upload a photo of yourself, and you can upload your resume and your Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn profile links. Now, everyone's might have a little bit of different information depending on what your student portal is set up for. Going back to the home page, and the last part of this are the social media tutorials. As you can see, the top 3 Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn social media tutorials are directly linked right here. When you click on one of them, it will take you to that tutorial, and there a video should be playing of a tutorial webinar walkthrough where you can learn how to use these 3 social media sites for the job search. Not only how to search for jobs using them, but also how to optimize your profiles so that when an employer is searching for you, then the most accurate information will come up.
Thank you for watching. Please contact the customer support team if you have any questions. Have fun using the Career Edge.